We are going to solve another problem of statistics. Here there's a diagram with lots of information, but I don't think we will be needing all of them. So let's look at into the question. It says that 900 boys were weighted and their weights in pounds are summarized in the above box plot. If the 11th percentile of the weight is 200 pounds, approximately how many boys weigh less than 300 pounds but more than 200 pounds? So from this image we can see that the total number of boys is 900, and it says that ultimately we will have to find the number of boys who weighed less than 300 pounds but more than 200 pounds, so within this range. So we actually have information regarding what would be the percentile for 300 boys and 200 boys. So for 200 boys it says that it's 11th percentile. 11th percentile, and from this box plot we usually know that it shows the interquartile range, where this is the Q1, Q2 and Q3, and Q1 is actually the 25th percentile. So in our case we will actually be looking at the difference between 25th and the 11th percentile, which is actually 14th percentile. So that will represent the number of boys that weighs between 200 and 300. So this is the only information we need. So since the total number of boys are 900, we need to find the 14th percentile of 900 boys, which is equal to 126. So for option A, the answer would be 126. So in this math you can see that there are a lot of irrelevant information, such as we have the values for Q2 and Q3 and Q1 and everything, but based on the question we have to identify what information we actually need from the given information. So after having a rough look at the box plot, we immediately moved into the question to see what information is needed, and based on that we quickly finished our calculation. So this is an approach of solving problems of statistics.